We talk football SA. MTN 8 is back. Kaizer Chiefs versus Golden Arrows on Sunday, right here at FNB Stadium. Fundis,
Aye baba,
Amakhosi
amahle.
versus Abafana Bestand. Are we gonna see the Kings, or Kings are going to be downed by Arrows?
Let me also give the title for this game.
Yeah,
I said Orlando Pirates is a grudge game.
yeah. This one?
This one is not a grudge game.
Yeah,
It's a game of showing who's who.
yeah,
Ubani.
yeah.
Yeah, Golden Arrows, remember,
Want to show who they
they've
are?
got a leading goal scorer in their team.
Yeah,
A
in
goal-
the league.
In the league.
Yeah,
A goal poacher.
Junior Sete Dion.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they want this time to perform.
Mm-hmm.
Kuti ku MTN 8 bakwazi ukuya phambili. That's why
Yeah.
it's a game kuti who is who?
Yeah.
Who is who between Kaizer Chiefs and Arrows?
And then from the Kaizer Chiefs
And
side,
from the Kaizer Chiefs, Chiefs will want to show that by winning there, by beating that Amakoti, abayishayanga Amakoti because Amakoti.
in Kruger National Park.
Bafuna ukubonisa ukuthi sishaya nama Golden Arrows abantu
Bashaya
dala
in Kruger National
bakhona.
Park.
Yeah, so they want to show who is who.
Yeah.
And then the coach of Kaizer Chiefs want to show that Lendo Nyenza Bafwethi, I'm not taking chances.
Yeah.
I'm building Kaizer Chiefs. As I say, Kaizer Chiefs is
Cooking something.
is cooking something.
Yeah.
So sifuna ukubona ukuthi lento ekhukhayo semhlambe in a certain aroma yanuhela na
Yeah.
or mhlambe ukhuka into engekho.
Yeah.
So that's why I say it's a game of who is who.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So awunagana ke mang o tla ba strong ka Sunday. Sundowns, Arrows and Kaizer Chiefs. Ke mang o tla win a game yela?
Nobody's going to win that game.
Yeah.
The game will be played in 90 minutes draw.
Draw.
Yeah, but not goalless draw.
Yes.
It's going to be 1-1.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs will first fire the shot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Silver.
then Arrows in the second half
Mm-hmm.
will answer with a goal.
Yeah.
And then the game will go to extra time. From extra time, it
Yeah.
will go to penalties.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And then Golden Arrows will win by through penalties.
Do you we are Ntshebe? Do you know Ntshebe? Brandon Peterson.
Uzobamba
You know Ntshebe.
uzobamba penalty
You
eyi-1.
know Ntshebe Mfundisi.
Hayi ngiyamazi. Uzoseva mari goal lodwa lizongena.
Yeah.
And maku extra time
Yeah.
bazoya ku penalties uzoseva le-1.
Yeah.
Lo Golden Arrows angeke aseva nene goal le-1.
Yeah.
Ama-player Kaizer Chiefs azoluza. Azomisa, azogeja.
Yeah.
And then in that way Chiefs will come out.
Yebo.
Yeah, because it's a game of who is who. Because Arrows will want to take an advantage as they are building.
Yeah.
Tina, already we have built everything.
Yes.
Let's just hit them hard. And Chiefs will try to say, yes, we are building. This is our building. We want to showcase them. And then that our players have been revived like Bo Batman, Bo Villagas and all the stuff. It's going to be a different game to people who go, manje, you go and say, getting a manje. Because now, abadlali wamakoti manje, badlala ne team.
Yeah.
It's strong.
It's strong.
The team is strong. Playing away
Yes.
at FNB Stadium.
Yeah.
That's why I say it's a game of who is who.
On Sunday, it's gonna be proven who is who between Kaizer Chiefs and Golden Arrows. We talk football SA. Siyabonga.